When it comes to managing your finances, finding the right budgeting tool is essential. Mint has long been a popular choice, but with its closure, you might be considering alternatives. In this video, we will guide you through the best Mint alternatives and budgeting apps. These top budgeting apps offer various features tailored to different financial goals and preferences. Whether you are looking to track expenses, manage subscriptions, or pay off debt, there are excellent options suited to your needs. Without further ado, here are the top 5 Mint alternatives right now. Number 5. Monarch Money. Monarch Money offers a solid alternative to Mint. Known for its user-friendly interface and comprehensive features, it smoothly combines budgeting tools with investment tracking. You'll find that Monarch Money provides a more modern and visually pleasing experience compared to Mint. The intuitive dashboards and easy-to-navigate layout make financial management uncomplicated and even enjoyable. Monarch Money stands out by emphasizing financial wellness. You'll receive personalized financial advice and insights, which can be more detailed and actionable than Mint's suggestions. This helps you make better financial decisions swiftly. The mobile app is also updated regularly, ensuring compatibility with recent operating systems. Whether you use iOS or Android, you'll get a consistent and reliable experience. Integration with various financial institutions is seamless. You can connect your bank accounts, credit cards, loans, and investment accounts effectively. This thorough connectivity ensures your financial overview is always up to date. Best of all, Monarch Money's goal-setting feature allows you to track your progress towards specific financial milestones. Whether you're saving for a vacation or a new home, this app helps keep your goals in sight and on track. Number 4. Goodbudget. Goodbudget is a strong contender as a Mint alternative, particularly if you favor an envelope budgeting system. Unlike Mint, which automatically categorizes your expenses, Goodbudget requires you to manually allocate funds to different categories. This hands-on approach can help you stay more connected to your budgeting goals. One of the key differences between Goodbudget and Mint is how they handle bank syncing. While Mint connects directly to your bank accounts to track expenses automatically, Goodbudget does not offer this feature. Instead, you manually enter transactions, ensuring you are always aware of your spending patterns. Goodbudget's interface is user-friendly, making it easy to navigate your budget. It provides a clear visual of your spending, similar to Mint, but with a more guided approach to managing your money. This app excels for those who want a simple, straightforward method to manage their money without the automation that Mint offers. It's particularly effective for people who prefer a more proactive approach to budgeting, ensuring you know exactly where every dollar is going. You can access Goodbudget on multiple devices, including your smartphone and computer. This multi-platform accessibility allows you to update your budget in real time, wherever you are. Number 3. EveryDollar. EveryDollar is a budgeting app that appeals to users looking for a straightforward way to manage their finances. Created by Ramsey Solutions, it follows the zero-based budgeting method, which means you allocate every dollar of your income to either spending, saving, or investing. Compared to Mint, EveryDollar offers a simpler and more intuitive user interface. You won't get overwhelmed by excessive features or dashboards. One of the standout features of EveryDollar is its customization. You can tailor your budget categories to fit your unique spending habits. This flexibility makes tracking your expenses less tedious. EveryDollar also has a free version. Unlike many other apps that only offer limited trials or require a subscription from the start. While Mint provides a plethora of tools for free, EveryDollar excels in guiding you through a zero-based budgeting approach without needing to upgrade for essential features. In terms of account syncing, the paid version, EveryDollar Plus, allows for automatic transaction imports from your bank, saving you time on manual entry. Mint also offers this feature, but EveryDollar tends to be more straightforward and user-friendly. Security is another aspect where EveryDollar holds its ground. It uses the latest encryption standards to keep your financial information safe. If paying off debt is your primary goal, EveryDollar's structured budgeting can be a powerful tool. This app encourages you to allocate funds specifically for debt repayment, making your progress more visible. Number 2. PocketGuard. PocketGuard is a strong alternative to Mint for those seeking a user-friendly budgeting app. PocketGuard provides a simple and effective solution for managing your finances. One of the primary advantages of PocketGuard is its straightforward interface. Unlike Mint, which can sometimes be overwhelming with its extensive features, PocketGuard focuses on essential budgeting functions. This makes it a great choice if you prefer simplicity without sacrificing functionality. PocketGuard tracks your expenses, categorizes them, and shows you how much disposable income you have after accounting for bills and savings goals. Mint also offers these features, but PocketGuard's In My Pocket feature provides real-time updates on available funds, making it easier to manage daily spending. Another notable comparison is the integration with bank accounts. Both PocketGuard and Mint allow syncing with your financial institutions, but PocketGuard is known for its quick and reliable connections. This means you can trust that your budget reflects your real-time bank balance. PocketGuard also helps with bill tracking, ensuring you never miss a due date. PocketGuard's alerts are praised for being timely and effective, helping to avoid late fees and boosting your financial awareness. For those interested in monitoring their spending habits, PocketGuard excels with its visual spending reports. These reports give you an easy-to-understand breakdown of where your money goes, helping you make informed financial decisions. Number 1. You need a budget, aka YNAB. When considering alternatives to Mint, You Need a Budget stands out as a strong contender. YNAB utilizes a unique zero-based budgeting approach, which requires you to allocate every dollar you earn to a specific purpose. This method helps you gain a deep understanding of your finances and encourages intentional spending and saving. In comparison to Mint, which automates much of the budgeting process, YNAB is more hands-on. This hands-on approach can be beneficial if you prefer a more active role in managing your finances. With YNAB, you input your transactions manually or import them from your bank, which keeps you more engaged with your budget. One of YNAB's strengths is its focus on education. The platform offers numerous resources, including workshops, guides, and a supportive community, to help you improve your financial literacy. This educational component is less prominent in Mint, making YNAB an excellent choice if you're looking to grow your budgeting skills. YNAB also provides real-time syncing across devices, meaning you can update and access your budget from your smartphone, tablet, or computer anytime. This flexibility ensures you always have an up-to-date picture of your financial situation, something that users of Mint also appreciate. Unlike Mint, which was free, YNAB operates on a subscription model. This fee can be worth it if you find value in YNAB's proactive budgeting method and educational materials. Additionally, YNAB offers a generous 34-day free trial, allowing you to test its features without any initial cost. In conclusion, selecting the right budgeting app can significantly impact your financial health. Each app reviewed offers unique features that cater to different preferences and financial goals. Whether you seek simplicity, detailed tracking, or investment planning, there's a choice that fits your needs. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to leave a comment, share it with friends, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button for future uploads. Thank you.